Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a new idiom, and that is cut the mustard. Yes, you heard me right. Cut the mustard. This idiom means to reach a standard, to reach up to an expectation, or even surpassing that. To be competent enough to really do a great job. In short, we can say when someone succeeds. When someone succeeds, we can say that the person has cut the mustard. Let's take few examples now. Example 1. He worked really hard for this job but did not cut the mustard. This means that the person has done a good job but has not reached the desired level or standard or expectation, so he could not cut the mustard. Let's take one more example. She didn't cut the mustard as a singer. She may be good at various things, but as a singer, she did not cut the mustard. She was not up to the level. Let's take one more example. Against all expectations, that new student is not cutting the mustard. Against all expectations means it was expected. When people looked at that new student, that he or she is going to do something excellent, but against all expectations, that student is not cutting the mustard. I hope you all will excel in English so much that you will definitely cut the mustard. This is Anushree signing off. Thank you.